Ito, -4 degrees. And kung makikita yung snow, hindi siya masyadong dry. The snow now is not so dry. And it's a bit wet. And as you can see that I can do something. Bang! Ay! Ang lamig! I have to do. Pwede tayong magawa ng, tingnan ko kung, I wanna try now how many minutes could I stay barefoot. Without shoes.